Hi, today we want to make Microworld of each country with AI trending images for free. It's easy and cool. You can download image from description links. Let's start. Go to bing.com. Now click on Images. Then click on Create for open a site of Bing. Now you must write your prompts. I use this prompt. Click on Create button. Well done. Now you can download generated images here. Just click Download button. Thanks for watching and subscribe DigiGraphic channel. In next tutorial you can learn how to change hair color in Adobe Photoshop. It's really useful and easy, and you can use this trick on profile pictures and wedding photography. Watch now.